Yellow list 11, spelling assessment. Number 1, spell the word after. I went to McDonald's after school. After. Number 2, spell the word again. I want to go to the beach again. Again. Number 3, spell the word open. Please open the door. Open. Number 4, spell the word stop. Please stop talking. Stop. Number 5, spell the word thank. Thank you for raising your hand. Thank. Number 6, spell the word think. I think I want a hamburger. Think.